Hey, how goes it? Thank you for joining us here at Quick Fix Smartphone and Tablet Repair in West Berlin, New Jersey. Today we were going to be doing a rebuild video on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Alright, let's start with the midframe and what's left attached. You have the menu buttons and the home button with its plastic bezel. Feeds through here. We have the channel for the loudspeaker, the microphone, charger dock, the headphone dock is now easily replaceable. We have our antenna for cellular and data connections. Obviously we have our battery, the vibrate motor, the power button, and the volume button. I believe these are for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. Here we have the liquid cool running up there. That's the heatsink. Okay. This is the stamp, so we know it was us. Love these tweezers. This is red tape adhesive. You can find this on etech.com, etechparts.com. Alright, don't forget your speaker mesh, and double check that you have the gasket that goes around the home button on. And go ahead and get the screen ready. Okay. We're going to use Captain tape. And we are going to tape up the exposed soldered connections. With the Captain tape. Make sure that your home button has click, which it does. Okay, now that we have that set aside, we can go over this. Here we have our LED notification light, proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor. And this piece goes right in here. just like so. Okay. Then we have our ear speaker. Our front-facing camera. You're going to want to put this on the board. You're not going to want to install it in there because it won't fit. Oh, and our back camera connections right here. Here's where the dock will connect, and here's where the home button connects, and here where the red and white cell phone reception antennas connect. Here we have the connection for the power button, the connection for the volume rockers, the connection for the LCD, and the connection for the battery. Here's where the proximity sensor connects, and here's where the ear speaker connects. I also believe, yep, this contraption is where the wireless charger pad okay, and then the loudspeaker connects right here, like that. Alright, let's install the motherboard. You're going to want to go dock first. Okay. Remember, we disconnected that, so let's make sure that's connected. Okay. Connect our home button. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the SIM card in. It is a T-Mobile.
I'd love to get back to you later, but I gotta get a couple things taken care of before I can do this. Unfortunately,
I wouldn't call it a fun fact, but I will say that once you have your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge or Samsung Galaxy S7 serviced, refurbished, or repaired, for back door or screen replacement, I would say that you most likely do not have any more water seal or waterproofing protection. there you have it. Ready to go? Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Thank you for joining us here at Quick Fix Smartphone and Tablet Repair. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, like and subscribe, leave us a comment.